The COVID pandemic has reshaped life as we know it, and now wearing masks has become a basic necessity. Masks and face coverings can prevent the wearer from transmitting the COVID 19 virus to others and provide protection to the wearer. This project aims to keep a check on people not wearing masks and notifying them their responsibilities. Not wearing mask is a major threat to others and oneself's life. So, violators will be punished.
The main area of applications are on airports. The mass face mask detection system can be used at airports to detect travelers without mask. Face data of travelers can be captured in the system at the entrance. If a traveler is found to be without mask, their picture is sent to the airport authorities so that they could take quick actions. If the person's face is already stored like the face of airport workers, it can send alert to the worker's phone directly. Secondly, in hospitals. Using this project, hospital can monitor if their staff is wearing mask during their shift or not. If any health worker is found without a mask, they will receive a notification with a reminder to wear a mask. Also, if quarantine people who are required to wear a mask, the system can keep an eye and detect if the mask is present or not and send notification automatically or report to the authorities. In offices and colleges. This project can be used at office and college premises to detect if employees and students are maintaining safety standards or not. It monitors people without mask and send them a reminder to wear a mask. The report can be downloaded at the end of day to capture people who are not following the instructions, and hence strict action against them could be taken easily. It can also be used at railway station and even inside the train where crowd is very high. Face data of traveler can be captured at the entrance. If someone is found without mask, the alert is sent to the authorities so that immediate action could be taken.
Identification of violators, sending them alert notifications and reminders, will be its main work. But if then also people continue to disobey the rules, strict actions are waiting for them.
In this project, we need involvement of government to a great extent. Government should make an app just like Arogya Setu and make it compulsory for everyone to upload data and photo with and without wearing mask from every angle. To make this app, softwares like Teachable Machine by Google can be used. To implement this idea, government can give a card to a person who had uploaded the data and make announcement that only the person having the card can use services like groceries, vegetables, etc. By this way, people are bound to make registration on app. Once the registration is done, the data of every individual should be linked to their Aadhaar card and bank account. If someone is found ignoring the warning to wear the face mask, authorities should send the data to the government, and government should make a provision of deducting fine money from the bank account just like e-challan. By this way, manual checking is reduced to a large extent, and hence the objective of this project can be fulfilled.
Starting with face identification of every citizen, to installing cameras with AI based mask detection system. Each movement will be marked, and violators will receive alert notifications. In this, artificial intelligence will play a major role. A user friendly interface allows monitoring and review of alerts generated by the system. Violators will then receive a notification to wear a mask, ignoring which he is bound to pay a required amount as fine and will receive an e-receipt.
This project have wide application in the worldwide pandemic COVID-19, as this is a communicable disease and can be prevented to great extent by wearing mask. We hope this project will be surely implemented in near future, easing the way of face mask detection and hence removing manual checking.